Hello everyone, welcome to Lily Podcast. Today we will learn to speak English sentences used in daily routine. So let's get started.
I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study in my class. I talk with my friends. I eat lunch. I go outside to play. I come back home. I do my homework. I help my mother. I eat dinner. I go to sleep. I just woke up, and honestly, I still feel sleepy. The first thing I do every morning is check my phone. Too many notifications again. I should probably get out of bed now. So I make my bed and head straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, no excuses. Then I splash some cold water on my face. That cold water really wakes me up. Now it's time to take a quick shower. That feels fresh. I already feel better. Next, I start thinking about what to wear today. This shirt looks fine, I guess. I'm getting ready for school, but wait, where's my bag? Oh, right, I left it in the living room. Before leaving, I grab a quick breakfast. My mom made eggs and tea today, my favorite combo. A warm cup of tea always makes my morning better. All right, time to head out now. I usually walk to school with my friend. We talk about random stuff on the way, jokes, games, and school gossip. The weather looks really nice today. Not too hot, not too cold. Finally, I reach school and take a deep breath. The first class is English. I actually like English, but sometimes the class feels so long. During the break, I hang out with my friends. We eat snacks, laugh, and talk about funny moments. After school, I head back home feeling tired and hungry. Lunch is ready, and I can't wait to eat. After eating, I usually rest for a while. Sometimes I scroll through my phone or watch a few YouTube videos. In the evening, I sit down to study for a bit. I try to stay focused, but sometimes my mind drifts away. Once I'm done studying, I go out to play with my friends. Cricket is our favorite game. We play until it gets dark. When I get home, I take a quick shower again. Then I help my mom with small things around the house. Soon it's dinner time, and everyone sits together. We talk about our day and share little stories. After dinner, I usually watch some TV or check my phone again. Sometimes I call my best friend and we talk for a while. Before sleeping, I check my homework and pack my school bag for tomorrow. Finally, I lie down on my bed and relax. I think about how my day went and what I want to do tomorrow. Slowly, my eyes start to close and I fall asleep. I need 5 more minutes in bed. Time to get up now. Let me stretch a little. Where is my phone? I need to check the time. I should drink some water first. My eyes are still half closed. I need to brush my teeth right now. The water feels so cold this morning. I should wash my face properly. Let me make my bed before leaving the room. What should I wear today? Maybe a simple shirt and jeans. I should check the weather outside. It looks sunny today. All right, time for breakfast. I think I will have tea and bread. Oh no, we are out of milk again. Let me make some eggs instead. I should eat quickly or I will be late. Where did I put my bag? I hope my phone is fully charged. Let me check my messages. Okay, time to leave now. I am walking to the bus stop. The air feels fresh this morning. I see my friends waiting there. We are talking about yesterday's class. The bus is coming, finally. I found a seat by the window. I like watching the streets while traveling. We have reached the school. I need to go straight to my classroom. The teacher is already here. Let me take out my notebook. I should focus on the lesson. I am feeling a little hungry again. Finally, it is break time. Let us go to the canteen. I bought a sandwich and juice. After break, we have science class. I enjoy this subject a lot. The day is almost over. I am tired but happy. Time to go back home. I changed my clothes and washed my hands. I am watching a little TV. Dinner smells really good. I will sleep early tonight.
I should open the curtains to let some light in. I can hear birds singing outside. Let me check what time it is now. I feel a little lazy today. I should drink some warm water first. Time to freshen up. My toothbrush fell again. I need a new one. I like the smell of toothpaste in the morning. Let me comb my hair properly. I should iron my shirt quickly. Breakfast time? I'm already hungry. I will make some tea first. Mom is cooking something delicious. I love the smell of paratha in the kitchen. I should pack my bag before I forget. I think I will wear my white shoes today. Where are my earphones? I kept them here. Let me listen to some music while getting ready. I should check my homework once more. Oh, I almost forgot my water bottle. Okay, time to leave for school. The road is quiet this morning. I can see children waiting for the bus. I am walking with my friend and talking. We are laughing about something funny. The sun feels warm and nice. We reached school on time today. First class is English. I like this one. Teacher is explaining something interesting. I am taking notes carefully. My friend whispered a joke and we both smiled. The bell rang. Finally, it is break time. I went outside to get some fresh air. I met my friend near the canteen. We talked and ate together. After break, we had math class. It was a little difficult today. I will revise it later at home. School is over. I'm walking back home. The road is a bit noisy with traffic. I stopped at a small shop to buy a snack. I finally reached home safely. I took a shower and changed my clothes. Now I'm sitting quietly and relaxing. I think I will study for an hour. Then I will watch something funny. It was a simple but good day.
Thank you all for listening today. Thank you so much. Keep practicing, be patient, and have fun. We will see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Bye.